What's up? It's your man, Mr. Solution. So I'm actually doing this video as a guide to teach people how to withdraw their money from Binance. Okay, I've actually done similar video before, but I guess that one is old and a lot of people are not really finding it very okay accessing the video. So I'm doing this one as a follow-up to the ones I did earlier before now. Okay, as you can see, I'm logged into Binance Exchange. This is I'm using the app right now. Okay, so let me quickly go to my wallet and then see what I have there. Okay, currently I have like 47k. Okay, but then I think I have a little BUSD. I have 9.4 BUSD. So basically what I do is I trade on FTX exchange, then the profit I make, I send it to Binance, then convert to naira and do my withdrawal. It's very easy for me like that. I do not need to go through the ritual of looking for somebody to buy my BTC for me. So once I make profit from FTX exchange, I convert to BUSD, withdraw it as BUSD, then send to Binance and then sell it off immediately. All right, so let me look for BUSD here among the list of coins. BUSD NGN. Okay, I think it's here. It's here. BUSD NGN. BUSD NGN. I'm trying to locate it. Okay, here, look at it. It's actually at 478.98. That's the current price. Okay, so I'm just going to click on sell. I have just 9.4, just a little amount of money anyway, so I go right ahead and click on 100%. So if I'm selling 9.49 BUSD at 478 naira 99 kobo, it should be giving me 4,545 naira. But I want to sell it faster. I should just go right ahead and reduce it to 478.98. then I'll go ahead and click on sell. Okay, so the order is here for me now. So once it executes, once it sells, I go to my wallet again. Okay, then go to this very place. You can see deposits. Okay, you can see deposits here. You can see deposits. You can see deposits. You can see withdraw. You can see transfer. Okay, so I just go right ahead and click on withdraw. Okay, withdraw. What I want to withdraw is fiat and not crypto. I choose fiat. Then this is what I want to withdraw: 47,575 naira. Okay, that's what I have there. But remember that they will be charging the flat rate of 300 naira from it, so it will not be up to that very amount. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load up now. It's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, it's coming up. Okay, and eventually it does come up. I would have to, okay, it has come up. Then the currency I want to withdraw is naira, so it's already there for me. NGN is already there for me. Okay, so I go right ahead and select it. So bank transfer, I'll be charged 300 naira per transfer. All right, so I come to this very place where they wrote available. Okay, this is my available funds. I come to the place they wrote available. This is the available funds for me. Okay, so I click on all. Remember, I cannot withdraw in decimals, so I have to remove that 0.59 there. Okay, then I go ahead and check everything if it's okay. Okay, this is my withdrawal history so far. Okay, these are my withdrawal history. You can see them here so far. These are money I've withdrawn so far, so every of the information is there. Okay, so I go ahead and click on continue. Okay, then I click on continue. My bank information come up to show me Access Bank, my bank account, my bank name and all that. I go ahead and click on confirm withdrawal. Okay, so this is everything about me: my bank details, my bank name, the name of the bank, account number and all that. So I will still, remember, I will be charged 300 naira. Okay, that's the transaction fee, that's the fee. I'll have to pay 300 naira to them. Okay, so I will go right ahead and click on confirm. So immediately I click on confirm, this information will pop up. Okay, then I have a space to put my phone verification code. I put my email verification code. I put my Google verification code. All these things, these are just for security purposes. I purposely installed them, okay, so that in the case of hack or any other thing, I wouldn't be adversely affected. So once I put everything, and once I put this three information needed here, I go right ahead and click on submit. So automatically, from maybe 5 to 10 minutes, the money will come to my bank account. Okay, so that is how to do it. Now I've come across a situation whereby people have BTC in their accounts, so they do not know how to go about it. Okay, you have BTC in your account, you don't know how to withdraw it to naira. It's very simple. Just come to this search icon here. Okay, let me point you to that place. Come to this search icon. Come to this search icon. Sorry, please. Come to the search icon. Okay, this is the search icon. Okay, come to the search icon and search for NGN. Okay, then locate NGN BTC. You can see NGN BTC over here. This is NGN BTC over here. Here, this is BTC NGN. Okay, currently the price is what? 7,808,000. That's 7.8 million. That is the current price of one BTC. Okay, so assuming that I have BTC here, and then I want to withdraw it to naira. So what I'm gonna do is that maybe I have to search for the NGN, then locate BTC NGN just as we did here, then click on it, and then because I already have the BTC I want to sell to naira, I go right ahead and click on sale. Okay, I go to sale. This is sale section. I come to this section, sales section, click on sale. Okay, then depending on the amount of BTC I have, let's say I have 0.1 BTC, 0.115 BTC, that's around 1,172,000 naira. Okay, or let's say I have 0.1 BTC or 0.01, as the case may be, that's 78,196 naira, depending on the value of BTC I have. So once I have done this, I will go right ahead and click on save. But then this can't go because I do not have any BTC here. Okay, so you see what they wrote here. We were unable to place your order due to insufficient balance. Please adjust your order or deposit funds. Okay, but then there is no money here, that's why it's showing like that. So this is just how you do that. So immediately you sell your BTC to naira, you can then go back to do the normal withdrawal, follow the normal withdrawal process. Once you've sold it, come back to your wallet section, okay, then go ahead, go to wallet, then go to the place where you normally withdraw, click on withdraw, then do the process the same thing we did initially. Choose fiat. There is crypto that's fiat, but then you are going with fiat. Okay, so you choose fiat and then select the naira you want to withdraw, click on it, then wait for it to load. Once it loads up, you see your account information, verify if everything is okay. The currency is NGN. Okay, it's already there for me. The bank transfer is already there for me because that's what I've been using all these while. So there is really no need for me to worry myself setting it up again. So it's already there for me. The bank transfer there, the NGN is there. Okay, so then this is where I choose the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, once I'm done with that, I will scroll down, click on continue. Okay, I'll click on continue. Here's continue over here. Click on continue. Okay, then once I'm done with that, they will now be brought to the final stage where I can do my final withdrawal. All right, I hope the video has been educative enough. In case you have any question, anything you want to be clarified on, you have issues with your trading, you can chat me up in any of my social media channels, my WhatsApp, my Twitter, any place, my Telegram, whichever place it is, you can reach me out there. And maybe you want to improve more on your trading career, you want to learn more about trading, you can join my signal group on Telegram where I draw daily signals for people to trade. It's free for now. You're not paying a token, you're not paying a dime. You can join my Telegram channel where I drop signals for people, to telling people where to buy and where to sell. Okay guys, so till I come your way again, I'm your man, Mr. Solution. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, try as much as possible to subscribe, like, share, so that, because that's the only way you'll be encouraging me to keep doing this thing I'm doing. All right, I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.